Welcome back to Let's Talk English. Last video also we did 5 easy reorder questions, and now again we are going to do 5 reorder paragraphs question from AP Uni, right? And they're all set to easy ones, ताकि you people can understand very easily what I'm doing and why I'm doing, right? This video is going to be in a mix of Hindi English, but if you want something else, you want it entirely in the English language or whatever, please feel free to comment or shoot me a message on WhatsApp, right? That being said, if you like the way I teach, right, I also run personalized classes for PT, not a lot, but 1 or 2 batches in the evening. So you can get in touch with me, right? And on that positive note, let's start. Okay, so the very first question that we have is number 835, livestock, right? I'll speak out all the 4 options and then I'll start rearranging them. However, intensive livestock farming raises concerns about environmental sustainability and animal welfare. Thus, there is a growing emphasis on sustainable farming practices. Livestock play a crucial role in agriculture. They not only provide meat and dairy products but also contribute to crop production through manure, which enriches soil fertility. Okay. I think throughout it, sorry for the firecrackers in the end, in the back. Across all the 4 sentences, the main general sentence is livestock. So I'll pick livestock plays a crucial role in agriculture. However, intensive livestock farming they not only provide meat. देखो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में ही सेड कि लाइवस्टॉक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये सबसे ज्यादा क्रूशियल रोल प्ले करता है एग्रीकल्चर में. अब इसी की एक्सटेंशन क्या है, दे नॉट ओनली प्रोवाइड मीट एंड डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स बट आल्सो कंट्रीब्यूट टू क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन थ्रू मैन्योर व्हिच एनरिचेस सॉइल फर्टिलिटी. तो आई थिंक थर्ड एंड फोर्थ का पेयर इज अ सॉलिड वन. हाउएवर इंटेंसिव लाइफ ओके दस. अब क्योंकि livestock is so important, thus there is a growing emphasis on sustainable farming practices. So 3, 4, 2 together make 2 pairs. And why do they go together with each other? Because all in all they are going gaga about livestock, role of livestock. लेकिन end वाला sentence is about a suggestion, a precaution. तो उसकी tone अलग है, तो that will become a conclusive sentence. So let me just go through it. Livestock plays a big crucial role in agriculture. They not only provide meat and dairy products but also contribute to crop production through manure which enriches. Okay, I think we were about to slip but we've got it. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, right? However, intensive livestock farming raises concerns about environmental sustainability and welfare. तो क्योंकि अब बिकॉज लाइवस्टॉक इज सच एन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, इंटेंसिव लाइवस्टॉक फार्मिंग हो रही है which is raising concern about environmental sustainability and welfare. अब because of this problem, thus there is a growing emphasis on sustainable farming practices. तो इस सब को कर्व करने के लिए conclusive sentence would be a final suggestion. Let's hit the submit button. I have my fingers crossed. 3, 4, 1 and 2. फाइनली. तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, राइट, दैट यू आर इन योर ओन रिदम. जस्ट बी केयरफुल, राइट, समटाइम्स देयर कैन बी ट्रैप्स. Okay, next one, fossil fuel, question number 827. As usual, I'll read out all the 5 sentences. Thus, the resulting climate change concerns have catalyzed the search for cleaner, more sustainable energy alternatives. Their abundant energy and ease of extraction and transport made them the preferred choice. Definitely not the first sentence. Fossil fuels, including coal, oil, and natural gas, have been the cornerstone of industrial development for over a century. अब अगर आप यहाँ ध्यान से देखोगे, let me not get into a kind of a rush. However, their combustion releases significant greenhouse gases, leading to global warming and environmental degradation. Fossil fuels, including coal, oil, natural gas, have been the cornerstone of industrial development for over a century. This makes sense because the whole paragraph seems to be about fossil fuels, right? Their abundant energy and ease of extraction, ठीक है, made them the preferred choice. So first sentence is telling about why Okay, it has been the cornerstone, and the second sentence tells why, right? So it makes more sense to place second immediately after the third. Okay, I think ये पिछले वाला ही प्ले हो गया है. However, their combustion releases significant greenhouse gases. अब थर्ड सेकंड के पेयर के साथ एक आती है बड़ी प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज रिलीज ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज लीडिंग टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग एंड एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. दस द रिजल्ट, अब इन सब की वजह से क्या होगा, देयर वुड बी क्लाइमेट चेंज. As a result, thus the resulting climate change concerns have catalyzed the search for more sustainable energy alternatives. So my correct sequence according to me is 3 2 4 1. Let's see what is the correct answer. I'm so sorry for my hiccups, but festive season, please forgive me. Okay, that's correct. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, third question for the day, number 822, safest transportation. However, continual improvements in aircraft design, navigation technology, and pilot training have drastically reduced accidents. As a result, flying is now statistically safer than driving. Initially, air travel faced skepticism due to high-profile accidents. Air travel is one of the safest modes of transportation thanks to rigorous standards and technological advancements. Okay, I think it is all about air travel. So air travel would go up, right? Air travel is one of the safest modes of transportation. Initially, air travel faced skepticism due to high profile accidents. As however, okay, ठीक है. तो एयर ट्रैवल आज की डेट में इज द सेफेस्ट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, एवरीवन नोस. लेकिन स्टार्टिंग में क्या हुआ, इनिशियली एयर ट्रैवल फेस्ड skepticism, criticism, doubts. People had a lot of questions because there were a lot of high profile accidents. But however, continual, अब इन दोनों के पेयर के आगे आएगा the sentence with however, that is the first sentence. Continual improvements होते रहे aircraft design में, navigation technology, pilot training, which have now reduced accidents. As a result, flying is now statistically safer than driving. Exactly, I don't know, but I think the data says 99 point something percent is the safety ratio. So let's check the answer. My sequence is 4 3 1 and 2. Okay, cool. So 4 3 1 2 is the answer, and now we will move to the next one. Okay, question number 4 for the day. Question number 824, pencil. The pencil, a common tool in education and art, has a rich history. Its origin date back to 16th century when graphite was first discovered in England. As the tool evolved, wood casings were introduced, leading to the modern pencil design we recognize today. Initially, graphite sticks were wrapped in string or sheepskin for stability. Wow, interesting question. I liked it. The first one, which is the more or less the general idea, right, is the first sentence should be on the top. So yeah, that's it. अब its origin date back to the 16th, नहीं, as the tool evolved तो cannot be immediately. Okay, तो इनिशियल से पहले ओरिजिन आएगा, राइट? तो बेसिकली इट्स ओरिजिन डेट बैक, किसके ओरिजिन? पेंसिल के, विच इज इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. सो 1 and 2 मेक अ परफेक्ट पेयर. देन यू हैव इनिशियली ग्रेफाइट स्टिक्स वर रैप्ड इन स्ट्रिंग और sheepskin for stability. As the tool evolved, wood casings were introduced, leading to modern pencil. तो आज की बात हो रही है, राइट? वी आर नॉट इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट 16th century. So 1 2 4 and 3 very minimal changes, but still takes time. Let's see the answers. 1 2 4 and 3, we are right here as well. All right, coming to the last question for the day, number 825, airplanes. Therefore, the efficiency of speed air cargo are vital in our increasingly interconnected global economy. This is especially important for time-sensitive products like perishable foods and medical supplies. They provide the fastest way to ship goods over long distances. Airplanes play a critical role in global cargo transportation. Therefore, cannot be the one. क्योंकि कुछ रीजन भी तो चाहिए उससे पहले. दिस इज especially important. What is especially? Okay. Airplanes play a critical role in global cargo transportation. They provide the fastest way. Directly linked to the first one. So 4 and 3 I think made a decent pair. Then they're okay. Because they are offering the fastest way to ship goods over long distances, this becomes especially important for time sensitive products like perishable foods such as meat items or maybe some freshly sourced plants, and medical supplies. Heart, they fly it through the airplane so that it can reach whatever distance it has to cover in the minimum amount possible, and therefore the efficiency and speed of air cargo are vital in our increasingly interconnected global economy. Let's check the answers. I think 4, 3, 2, 1, complete reverse. That is what it is. So another 5 easy questions for reorder paragraph. I think ये हमारा second video था in the series. I don't think I'll be making another reorder paragraph easy level difficulty soon. But if you really like the way I explain things, you can just drop whatever you want me to make videos on in the comment section regarding IELTS and PTE. The number is scrolling. It should be on the screen. You can shoot a message directly or comment in WhatsApp. Comment on the video. I'll be more than happy to address your concerns. Anything else you want, any guidance, whatever it is, let me know. I'll be more than happy to connect with you. Bye bye.